We do have Ken Delanian to break down what this essentially means, this pause, calling off the gutting of USAID. What exactly does it mean, Ken?
Well, federal judge Carl Nichols has agreed to the plaintiff's request to put in this temporary restraining order, this pause. He says, I will be entering tonight sometime between now and midnight, a limited, very limited, he says, TRO that will be directed at the placement of the 2,200 or 2,700 employees on administrative leave, and then the accelerated removal of people from their countries. So he's putting on pause the plan to basically remove these people from the government payroll by midnight tonight. It's not clear from the information I have in front of me until when this pause will last, but it's designed to allow each side to more fully marshal their arguments and have a hearing on the evidence on the question of whether this move is legal. And then he'll actually have to rule on the merits, and then we'll go from there. I think one of the big questions here, and it's looming over all of these court fights, is will the Trump administration comply with these judicial rulings? Because they seem to be moving at a breakneck pace on all the personnel moves and the things that they're doing to disrupt the federal government. So we'll have to wait and see on that, Kristen.
Well, and you bring me to some extent to my next question. Before I ask it, just to update folks, Elon Musk has just tweeted out this building, the building of USAID, is now being occupied by CBP, Customs and Border Protection. Ken, to some extent, they've already gotten rid of thousands, tens of thousands of employees who work with USAID. So to some extent, has the damage already been done? Can it be reversed?
Well, enormous damage has been done. And this is about the facts on the ground, right? The Trump administration can establish facts on the ground almost before the courts can take into account the law. And so it's just like the previous discussion we were having about FBI agents being fired. Even if the firings are illegal, and even if eventually they win their jobs back with back pay, it's too late. They've already been escorted out of the building. Their badges have been taken away. Their security clearances have been revoked. They're not coming back to the FBI in most cases. And in this case, with USAID employees, you may have a similar situation. And the reputational damage that has been done to the United States, the national security damage, experts say, has already been enormous, even if everything is remedied and USAID is put back together in a week. This is going to take a long time to recover from, Kristen.
Ken, really great breakdown. Thank you for rushing to a camera for us. We really appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.